You have to stop putting 20 milliseconds delay on comb filter over your shitty stone jumper presets. Now get up so I can show you how to make some real drum and bass. It's about automating the right parameters in the right order.
But Benny L uses hardware.
I don't give a fuck, son.
Will I make a sick bass
Yeah,
without
show me
it?
your roller
With a
sound.
black preset?
Start by phase modulating a square. Go deeper. More distortion and filtering, also volume automation. That's the first step into darkness. Now you!
So yeah, here's the sound, here's the patch. Extremely simple. Pick any wavetable you want, doesn't really matter as long as it's not too noisy. Run it through the phase thing, then put a LFO on the volume of the oscillator, then run it through a low pass or any filter that you want. It's all about the movement that you're creating by modulating the cutoff position of the filter. Run it through some distortion, dimension expansion, nothing big actually. P-shaper, parabolic shaper, it's just another distortion unit. And the trick is to modulate as many things as possible. As you can see on the lanes here. Modulation rate, so basically how fast the volume is turning on and off. The effects, the distortion amount, the dry and wet distortion, the phase. I think that's just FM modulation, frequency modulation. The wavetable position, in this case, I didn't really modulate it that much. And the most important thing is that I slowly fade the reverb in. And on the second part, on bar 3 and 4, I let the reverb do its magic and create the atmosphere. And that's basically it. Easy as fuck.